My supervisor at the time when I first started, the weld program was a brand new program. I was only here maybe 4 months. Midmark was willing to take a risk on me going through a program that they haven't done before and seeing potential in me that, I'm gonna be here long term, and taking that risk, and it paid off hopefully for them. So prior to Midmark, I worked in an office environment, recruiting, things like that. Coming into Midmark, the environment was completely different. Night shift was a big change for me. It was the first time I ever worked nights. I thought I was in shape until I started on the paint line. That definitely changed my perspective on how much the work is that we do here. Different lines do a lot of different work. So starting in Midmark, it'll be 12 years. I knew from day one when I initially got an interview to be a team leader on nights. They always kind of ask where you see yourself in 5 years, and I always wanted to be a supervisor and then continue now as a supervisor, continue working my way up through the company. I'm currently a night shift supervisor in group tech. My Kanban lead experience, my team leader experience in group tech weld all got me prepared to get where I am today. A lot of lessons learning along the way. MPS definitely prepared me, learning how to do public speaking. Was one of the things I was very uncomfortable with, so here we are right now. Doing something like this, so I'm very out of my comfort zone, but learning to enjoy getting out of your comfort zone and constantly improving and learning new things. Staying calm is the big thing. Learning to be able to just kind of roll with the punches, especially on a production floor, things never go as planned. If you're in a panic and showing emotion, the team's gonna do the same thing. So if you as a leader can stay calm through tough situations, the team's gonna remain calm and be able to take direction a little better. When everybody's in a panic, nobody listens to what's being said. So it's able to communicate with the team in a calm manner and get things flowing again. Clarity is a big one. Communication's a big one for us. If something's not communicated correctly, there's no clarity, there's no alignment, and that's just gonna make work a lot more difficult. So, communicating clearly, having that clear understanding of what needs to be done. I really work with my team leaders day to day, teaching them how to lead by example, staying calm in tough situations. I do weekly meetings with all my teammates. I'm just talking through them about issues they're having at work, even sometimes personal life, that can bring into work, trying to help them through as much as I can. As a leader, I want to try to show them, if something needs done on the floor, I'm out there with them. I'm not just sitting behind a desk all day. Team leader role and supervisor roles, I've applied for both several times before I've landed them. Every time I've been denied a role or a job, I've went back and tried to work on the things that was said to me during the interview. And just that persistence of knowing that's eventually where I want to be, and knowing where I wanted to go, I had to do each one in order, just kept me persistent in that path of trying to do the right things to get to where I need to be. Midmark definitely understands if you want to be somewhere, they will help you get to where you want to be.